Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is back-end development. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is back-end development? Back-end development is one of the most central web development terms you will come across during any website development project. It refers to the server-side coding and structuring that goes into developing and maintaining a website. Developers will use programming languages such as JavaScript and SQL or structured query language to create the back-end components, which can include databases, web services, APIs, and more. Okay guys, so this is the end of my short report on what is back-end development is all about. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.